Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can make a blurry video on CapCut. So to do that, I've already selected my video, and then I'm just going to go to effects, go to video effects, then I'm going to go to basic, and then here I'm just going to try to find blur. There's like a lot to choose from. You can choose this like motion blur one. There's also like pixel blur, but there's just like the blur one, which I'm trying to find. It's over here, and then I'm just going to adjust it so it fills up, like the duration is like full until the end of the video. You can also adjust the blur. Oops, sorry. You can also adjust the blur over here. If you want it stronger, you're just going to set it to 100. But if you don't want it to be that blurry, you can set it up to like around 15, 17. As you can see. And that is basically it. That's how you can make a blurry video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!